Good morning, Martin. Korean markets are pointing to a lower open overall, but individual names are being moved by earnings expectations for the fourth quarter. More Pacific, for one, it is above the 2.3 million won mark today. And remember, it showed almost a 5% jump on the first day of trading this year. And this is coming on expectations of a strong earnings for the fourth quarter, as some analysts saying an earnings surprise on a continued strength in sales in China and also duty-free sales in Korea. So during the fourth quarter, sales through its duty-free store channels were up 100%. And also for the same time, the synergies that came from Amore Pacific's acquisition of its Hong Kong business unit will be reflected in the earnings as well. Also, their new sales growth that are coming through TV home shopping channels and online sales have shown an increase during the fourth quarter as well. Again, analysts are saying this will be reflected, and analysts are expecting operating profit to have added at least 50 billion won from the same time last year. So I'll be watching this name today as well. Also, local reports have been reporting that Samsung Electronics will be reporting fourth quarter earnings guidance today. This is coming based on Samsung's comments that they will be reporting guidance numbers this week, but the guidance will actually be coming on Thursday of this week. So far, local analyst consensus is at 4.8 trillion won. They are expecting a improvement of previous expectations. But again, this 4.8 trillion won estimate is still down 43% year on year. But because of the past two quarters that Samsung posted an earnings shock in, people are looking at the fact that this number is actually up 18% quarter on quarter. So compared to the third quarter, this is a good number for Samsung. So I'll be watching Samsung at the open as well. But overall, we are expecting a drop at the open for the Korean market. So to check on the Korean markets before the open. And Martin, back to you.
Okay, June, before I let you go, I'm willing to bet good money that you have either a Samsung or an LG handphone, correct?
Correct. I have a Samsung phone.
Samsung. Okay, so we were just talking to viewers about LG coming out with something called the G Flex 2, its second curved phone. What I can't figure out is it's actually coming with a smaller screen, 5.5 inch. Do you know what on earth is going on there?
Maybe because Samsung has such a strong hold in the big phablet market with their Note series, I guess LG is trying to go the path less traveled because their G3, which was a pretty big hit, now their sales are kind of dropping down because it's been around for a while. So maybe they're trying to go down a new road because Samsung has the Note 4 sales going strong at the moment.
All right, so LG going the other way when Samsung's getting bigger. Got it. Okay, great stuff. Thanks a lot, June. Yoon there live up in Seoul, SBS CNBC. Take a look at